What's up guys, it's Coco and today we are going to be having Buffalo Wild Wings. What's up guys, today I have chicken, all chicken. I got naked chicken tenders from Buffalo Wild Wings, I got some teriyaki wings, I got some, I think this is the wild, and then I got some Asian zing. I forgot to get Caribbean jerk because Caribbean jerk is my favorite too on the flavors of the wings from Buffalo Wild Wings. Ugh, just forgot. This is just the order of a medium, I believe. No, it's the 14 pieces. So I should have gotten the 18 pieces, so I could have gotten the Caribbean jerk. Damn it. That's okay, we have a lot of chicken. This is just me being overly obsessed with how much I ordered again. So, I'm so hungry. Let's dig in. Naked chicken tender. I haven't posted for 2 days, sorry. I got hot barbecue here for the naked tenders. All chicken breast. Wow. So good. The chicken tenders are so peppery though. Like, look at that. There's a lot of peppers in there. This is hot. I got Diet Pepsi. Coupon from DoorDash. Cheers. I'm gonna keep this since DoorDash is so expensive. Again, this is like $28 to $30, and then it was $48 after like DoorDash delivered it. So good. So, obviously we're still on keto. Don't worry guys, don't worry, this is not forever. I'm gonna give you a banger, okay, soon. Maybe on Monday. It's Saturday today. I have another keto video for you tomorrow. And then, yeah, I'll bring some bangers soon, okay? Probably Monday. We'll bring some bangers. Teriyaki. Oh. Very chewy. I feel like it's because when they overcook it, they let it sit for the fryer. I mean, in the fryer. It's like extra crispy and chewy. I'm so mad. I shouldn't have gotten the Caribbean jerk instead of teriyaki. That's one of my favorite. Let's try this one. This is the wild. As all of you know, I love hot. So, I love hot, so. I'm running out of clothes, you guys, to wear for mukbangs because usually I choose like just really casual what I wear at home for my mukbangs. Like I would usually wear what I would wear if I go to Target or just like in school, you know. But honestly, 90% of my clothes are all party clothes. So I'm gonna start wearing my party clothes to my mukbangs because I don't want to keep repeating what I've, you know, my chill clothes that I wear at home and when I go grocery shopping. I don't want to be an outfit repeater. Another naked tender. Did I lose weight already? I feel like I did. Like a pound or two. Right? I'm doing great. I love cheering myself. I was actually thinking if I should get cheese curds. But their cheese curds has a lot of breading. So I didn't get that. But there are cheese curds that are almost has no breading. Those things, you can do that in keto. I should have got a side of blazing sauce. I like mixing the blazing sauce with something else. So it's like, if you mix it with Asian zing or like teriyaki, it just gets hotter, you know? Alright, this is one of my faves too, Asian zing. Asian zing. So good. The Asian zing flavor. The Asian zing flavor makes me want to eat rice. Because Asian sauce always want to make you eat rice. And it's so good with rice, you know? You guys, you gotta be careful when you're eating these wings. Sometimes there's like broken bones inside of the wings. And you might like swallow it, so be careful. Chew a lot. And then if you feel like there's a rocky, bony substance, sometimes it's so sharp too. I almost swallowed it. And if I chew that in the wrong gums or like in the wrong way, it could have like hurt me. So you guys chew your wings really good, especially Buffalo Wild Wings. So I went out last night. I honestly don't like the Buffalo Wild Wings wings that much. It feels really like hard. Like the quality of the wings in compared to if you go to a really good restaurant. Like it's not even meaty and it's chewy and it's kind of hard to chew. But it's the only thing that's like available right now, so whatever. Okay, so I went out last night, right, for the first time in like 2 weeks again. I told myself, Kareen, let's try this again. You're better than your anxiety. This isn't you, fight it. So I did. I was feeling really great, right? teriyaki. I went to the lake, and then we drank at the bars again. I used to can drink a lot of liquor, like a lot. Like I could probably finish half a bottle of Jack in one night. Or Crown. Last night, I'm pretty sure I only had 5 drinks. I'm not gonna lie, it's all pretty strong. But I feel like since I haven't really drank lately, my tolerance went down. And I wasn't having as much fun as I used to anymore when drinking. Like, I feel like last night at the bar, everybody was just like all young, and I'm sure they're all not, but it's just so old. Like, I'm so over it. I gave it a chance last night again. I was like, you know, Korean, go out, meet up with friends, and they're all like lit. They've been drinking before me, so they're all lit. They're really like, you know, happy and like reckless, and they're still fun, yeah. But they have so much energy, and I'm just like there, like sitting, and I'm just like, damn, I'm not enjoying myself anymore. I want to go home. And I'm hungry. That's always one of the reasons too. 50%. I'm hungry. I want to go home. So I went home. And once again, I was waking up with heart palpitations. Because you know when the alcohol wears off, do you guys get that? When it's like wearing off in the middle of the night, your heart's beating really fast. Because I think that's the symptom of the alcohol wearing off on your body. Wake up in the middle of the night having that, and then I got more anxiety. And of course, I regretted going out again. I was like, never again. I like going out. That's me. I just don't enjoy it as much anymore. I know. I feel like another chicken tender. It's really thin. I'm gonna fly after this. There's so much chicken. I feel like my way of enjoying going out now is just lounging in the lounge. Having a really nice dinner with like really good friends. And just having champagne and white wine or two with an amazing steak dinner. No potatoes. Just enjoying each company's, and like the lounge ambiance makes it all really worth it. Yeah, I just like to lounge now. I hate that crowdy scene now. I used to be all about that. Like, I wouldn't go somewhere when it's emptier, you know, because I always want to be seen And I always want to see people that know me. I don't want to see people because, you know, I love them. I don't know, it's not the same anymore. It's like meaningless. You see people, they see you, you say hi. What else? Right? Nothing else. Hmm. Hmm. No more ranch. Do you guys like blue cheese better or ranch? I like ranch better. Buffalo Wild Wings ranch is not that good. It tastes like it's from the bottle from the grocery store. Yeah. These chickens are dry as hell. Dry as hell. Oh, but I'm getting full. That's a good sign. Don't worry, guys. I'll be giving you a banger soon. Banger mukbang. Don't worry. I want some Caribbean jerk. I'm sick of those 3. I found this on the cabinet. And I was like, oh my god, that looks so cute. Let's use it. I think my mom saves these for like special occasions, but you know what? I've never seen them use that. I'm gonna use it. I wish we had Wingstop. I don't know. It just looks good on people do a mukbang Wingstop, and I feel like it's better than Buffalo Wild Wings. It's like bigger. So. I'm actually surprised how clean I'm eating right now. Usually when you eat wings, you have like stuff all over your mouth, but damn, I'm good now. I used to hate and not eat wings at all because I always thought, oh my god, those are just bones. How can you like that? It's so messy and there's no meat. And then I don't know who, I think it's my mom. She asked me to eat one and I kind of liked it. And then that's when I started liking it. Now it's like, I honestly prefer now traditional wings than boneless because usually boneless are all breading and that's so irritating to me. I mean, it's good breading, but there's a certain type of like wings, like most of the wings are like 60% breading and then 40% meat. It's like, no, it has to be 20% breading and then 80% meat, you know, like the ratio has to be all chicken meat. And it's just sickening because it's like easy access. You just like, you have the meat, there you go, you eat it. But this is like a challenge, so it's like I like it now. Yeah. Alright guys, I'm tapping out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm going to see you guys on my next one. Bye guys.